Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable voice chat in Roblox without ID. So for doing this purpose, first you need to open your Roblox account on your PC. Then here at the top right corner, you have this setting button, tap on it. Then this will pop up on your screen. Here you have the option of settings, click on it. Then my settings page will appear on your screen. Choose the privacy option from this list under my settings. Once you tap on it, then privacy settings will appear on your screen. Here you have this communication section, just go there. Then go to default option. If you have custom option, then tap on it and then click on default. Then go to who can message me section and here click on friends. Then go to who can text chat with me in app and again choose friends. And who can text chat with me, just go there and tap on everyone. After this, what you need to do, just tap on this settings button at the top right corner. Then this will pop up. Here you need to tap on help and safety. Then help and safety page will appear. Here you have this help center option. Click on it. Then the help center of Roblox will appear on your screen. Here you have this search bar. Just tap on it and search for voice chat. Once you search it, then this type of page will appear. Here you need to tap on chat with voice. Once you click on it, then chat with voice recording frequently page will appear on your screen. Here what you need to do, just scroll down. And here you have this section, was this article helpful? Here you have two options, yes or no. Above this section, you have this link, need more help, contact support here. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, then contact support of Roblox will appear on your screen. Here what you need to do, just give the contact information like your username, then tap on first name and write it. Once you done this, then go to email address section and here what you need to do, just enter your email and then go to confirm email address and rewrite your email address. Under this you have the issue details section. Here what device are you having the problem on, just tap on this box. And here you have many devices like PC, Mac, Chromebook, iPhone, iPad, Android iPhone, Android tablet and so on. So here I am working on my PC, so I click on PC. Then which type of help you want, just tap on this box. So here I tap on technical support. For enabling voice chat in Roblox, you need to do same. Once you done this, then another box will appear. Just tap on please select. Then this will pop up on your screen. Here you have specific experience issue option, tap on it. Then the last thing you have to do, just enter the issue in this description box which you have. So here I enter my all issue. Then here you have this continue option, just click on it. After tapping on continue, wait for a few seconds and then verify you are a real person or not. So for this purpose, you have this option start puzzle in green box, just click on it. Then this type of puzzle will appear. Here you need to solve it and then tap on submit. Then verification complete message will pop up on your screen. After waiting for 2 to 3 seconds, you will receive request received message. Your issue will solved at least in 24 hours or maximum it will take 2 to 3 days. That's how you can enable voice chat in Roblox without ID. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.